Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is Assignment-2 Part-1. Assignment-2 Part-1. Okay, dear students, in this part I will show you how can you solve the short questions. 10 short questions is given for your assignment 2. Okay, dear students, let us see. Here, short question 1. Express into lowest term. It means that we have to express this fraction into lowest term. Dear students, you know that how to express a fraction into lowest term. To express a fraction into lowest term, at first write the given fraction. X square minus 6x plus 5 and then x square minus 25. Dear students, to express a fraction into lowest term, at first you have to factorize the numerator and denominator of the fraction. So factorize the numerator here. Here x square minus 6x plus 5. If you want to factorize this, you have to apply the middle term method. So you can write here 5x minus x plus 5. So in denominator you can write x square minus 5 square. So in numerator you can take x as common from first two term, you will get x minus 5, and take minus 1 as common, you will get x minus 5 again. Then if you put the formula here, a square minus b square, that will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write in the numerator x minus 5 as common, and here x remaining, here minus 1 remaining. So we can write in this way. Now we can cut x minus 5 and x minus 5. What will remain? X minus 1 by x plus 5. So this is our required answer for question 1. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood question 1. Now I will solve question 2. What is question 2? Question 2 is a minus b by a plus b by b. What will be the sum? What will be the sum? Okay, now right here given a minus b by a plus b by b. Now we can calculate here. To do this, at first do the LCM of a and b. This will be ab. Now if we divide by a, we will get b. So multiply the numerator by b into a minus b, plus if we divide by b, we will get a. So we can write here a into a plus b. It means that we can write here ab, and if we multiply, this will be ab minus b square, and here a square plus ab, square plus ab. So if we calculate here, we will get here, what will we get if we calculate? We will get here, at first see here is a square minus b square, and here is 2ab. We can write here 2ab. ab and ab will be 2ab. So we can write here ab. So this is our answer for question 2. This is our answer for question 2 if we do the sum. Okay, now this is answer for question 2. I will show solution of 3. What is question 3? Question 3 is here 1 by x minus y minus x square minus xy plus y square divided by x cube plus y cube. So we can write here 3 given. We have to determine the value of this, so we can write here 1 by x minus y minus, here is x square minus xy plus y square divided by x cube plus y cube. We can't do anything in the first fraction, so it will remain same, but we can factorize the denominator of second fraction, and we can write here x square minus xy plus y square. And if we factorize this, we will get here, use the formula a cube plus b cube. It means that a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we can simplify now. X minus y minus, we'll get here, we can cut this 2, we'll get here 1 and x plus y. Now if we calculate, we'll get here x minus y and x plus y. This is the LCM of these two. Now if we divide by x minus, we will get x plus y, and multiply by 1, we will get x plus y. Here is minus, so we can write here, if we divide by x plus y, we will get x minus y. This will be x minus y. If you want, you can write here 1 1. If you want, you can write. If you don't write, that will be also correct. Okay, now see, product of these two is x square minus y square, and here if you multiply, you will get x plus y minus x plus y. So this plus x and minus x vanishes. Here will be 2y, and in the denominator you will get x square minus y square. So this is the answer for question 3. This is the answer for question 3. Okay, dear students, now see question 4. What is question 4? Question 4 is product of two fractions. Product of two fractions. Okay, dear students, now see what can we do here. Question 4. Given 10x to the power 5, b to the power 4, z cube, and here is written 3x square, b square, z, multiply by 15 y to the power 5, b square, z square, and denominator is 2 y square, a square, x. Okay, now we can calculate here, dear students. Now at first simplify the first fraction. So we can write here 2 into 5 into x to the power 5 means, as here is x square and x, now we can write here b to the power 4. Now we can write z cube. We can write here 15 means 3, multiply by 5. We can multiply all, nothing else. Y to the power 5, b square, z square, and here is 3 multiplied by x square into b square into z into 2 into y square into a square into x. So we can calculate here easily. We can cut this 2 and this 2. Can we cut anything now? No. I think we can cut 3 also. 3. And if we want to calculate the coefficients, now 5 and 5 remaining, so we can write here 25. Now calculate here b to the power 4. Here is b square. No b here, so if we cut here, here is also b square, we can cut this b square. Now b to the power 4 remaining, and then what is remaining here? Z cube. Now we can see here z square. Here is also z square. So if we cut a z square, here will be z, so we can write here z to the power 4. z to the power 4. Now what is remaining here? 5. I did not write here x to the power 5. Dear students, you need to remember that x to the power 5 will be here. So if we write here x to the power 5, now calculate x square here, x here, and here is no x, here is no x. So if we cut x square and x will be x cube. So if we cut this x square and x, and we will cut x to the power 5, we will get x square here, x square, and then we'll get in case of y, 5 I have taken, we have to consider y now. If we consider y, what we will get? Y to the power 5, and here is y square, here is y square. Is there any a in the numerator? No a here. Okay, now we can write here y square, y to the power 5. So if we calculate here, we will get y cube, y to the power 5, y cube. So we can say here, we can see from the denominator, nothing remaining here, or a square remaining, sorry, a square remaining here. Here is a square, no a square here, so we can write here only a square. So if we want, you can write this a square. Here is 25 x square y cube z to the power 4 b to the power 4 by a square. 25 x square, 25 x square y cube z to the power 4 b to the power 4 by a square. Okay, dear students, I have solved question 4. Now I will solve question 5. 25 x square y cube z to the power 4 b to the power 4 by a square. Okay, now I will solve question 5. What is question 5? Question 5 is given a square minus b square by a square plus ab plus b square, division as here a plus b by a cube minus b cube. Okay, dear students, now see, we can factorize the numerator, but denominator we can factorize, so it will remain same. Now factorize this one, a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b, division here. Now we can't factorize the numerator, we can factorize the denominator using the formula here. A cube minus b cube means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now as here is division, we have to convert this one into multiplication. A plus b into a minus b, this will remain same, a square plus ab plus b square. Now convert this one into multiplication, and then this fraction we have to take the reciprocal of this one. It means that opposite fraction. So numerator will go to the denominator and denominator will go to the numerator. A square plus ab plus b square. So we can write here a plus b. Now we can cut this a plus b, and then here this one, also this one we can cut. What will remain? A minus b into a minus b means a minus b whole square remaining. So this is the answer of question 5. This is the answer of question 5. Okay, dear students, now we can solve question 6. What is question 6? Question 6 is what is set? Dear students, it means that you have to write the definition of set. In your book, chapter 7, you will get the definition of set. What is set? A well-defined collection of objects of real or imaginative world. Okay, now we can write 6. A well-defined collection of objects. You can write here set. You can write here set. Definition of set. This is question 6. A well-defined collection of objects. A well-defined collection of objects of real or imaginative world, of real or imaginative world is called set. This is the definition of set. What does it means? It means that if you say a glass set, the number of glasses in the set is fixed. If you say the dinner set, the number of items and how many pieces of each item, that is also fixed in each set. It means that for this is known as a well-defined collection, a well-defined collection of objects. Okay, and here is written real or imaginative world. Real means what can we see? What can we see? And imaginative means what we think. What we think. Suppose I am telling the set of all natural numbers. We have to think that. Set of all complex numbers. We have to think that. Okay. Set of all real numbers. That is imaginative. Okay. Okay, dear students. This set. This is the definition of set. So you have to write this. You can write the example here. Example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a set. Here the elements of A, these are known as elements of A. These are fixed here. Okay, so this is well defined. This is well defined. Okay. Okay, dear students, I have solved question 6. Now I will solve question 7. What is question 7? Question 7 is what is tabular method of expressing set? Dear students, you know that in chapter 7, from chapter 7 you have learned that two methods of expressing set. First one is tabular method of expressing set, and second one is set builder method of expressing set. What is the question here? What is the tabular method of expressing set? What is the tabular method of expressing set? We can say the tabular method of expressing set in this way. The set, the method of expressing set, the method we can write tabular method. Tabular method. Tabular method of expressing set. The method in which the method of expressing set in which the method of expressing set in which all the elements of a set are mentioned particularly, particularly by enclosing them by enclosing them in second brackets. In second brackets, and if there is, this is the second bracket, and if there is more than one element, if there is more than one element, the elements are separated by using comma. The elements are separated by using comma. This is the sign comma. Is known the method of expressing set in which all the elements of set are mentioned particularly by enclosing them in second brackets, and if there is more than one element, the elements are separated by using comma, is known as set builder method, is known as tabular method. Is known as tabular method. This is the definition of expressing a set in tabular method. Okay. Now, if you want, you can give the example. A is a set, elements are A, B, C, D. Here, the set A is expressed in tabular method. Here the set A is expressed in tabular method as the elements are particular elements are used here, and after each element here is a comma given, and these elements are enclosed by second bracket. So this is known as tabular method. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood question 7. Now question 8. How many subsets of set A has and what are they? So at first we have to know what is subset. Okay, dear students, now I'll tell you what is subset. The sets formed by the elements of the given set is known as the subsets of the given set. Okay, suppose I am writing a set A equal to A, B, C. So if I form some new sets, suppose I am taking a set taking only one element from A, that is A, and another one B. So this is also a new set. I can consider taking C also. I can take another set taking two elements, say B. In this way we may get many sets. These sets are known as subset of the set A. Okay, dear students, you have to know that the taking all the elements of A, B, C, taking all the elements of a set, we can form another set. That set will be also the subset of the given set. It means that every set has a subset. Every set is a subset of itself. Okay, so This is also a subset of A. And dear students, you need to remember another information about set. The set which don't contain any element is known as empty set. Suppose here is a set, but there is no element in the set. This is blank, no element here. This set is known as empty set. This empty set can be expressed by using a Greek letter, that is Ori. This sign is known as Ori. This set can be expressed as empty set. And you have to remember that empty set also is a subset of any set. Empty set is also a subset of any set. So our given set is A. We can write the subsets of A at first. Question 7. 8. Question 8. Question 8. Given the set A equal to 1, 2, 3. Subsets of A are, what are the subsets? Take at first one element, 1, then 2, then 3. Taking single element, we will get 3 here. Now taking 2 elements, 1, 2, 1, 2. Taking 2 elements, we will get more, 2, 3, and another 1, 1, 3. We can take 1, 3. So taking 2 element, we will get 3 sets, and taking one element, we will get 3 sets. Now 6 subsets we obtained. Now every set is a subset of itself, so we can write taking all the elements, 1, 2, 3. And I have told that empty set is a subset of any set, so we can write here empty set also, empty set. So this is also a subset of a set A, of the set A. Now how many subsets here? If we count, these are the subsets of A. These are the subsets of A. And if we count the subsets here, we will get how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can say there are 8 subsets of A. Counting the subsets of A, we get there are 8 subsets of the set A. It means that A has 8 subsets, and the subsets are this. Okay, dear students, this is the solution of question A. Here first part is how many subsets? Here answer is 8 subsets. And what are they? The subsets are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and empty set. Okay, dear students, this is the solution of question 8. Now I will write question 9. Okay, now see question 9. Dear students, question 9. Question 9 is express the set in tabular method. Here is a set given, Q equal to, Q is a set, it is expressed by X. The set of all X such that X all the factors of 42. It means X is all the factors of 42. So we can write here given Q equal to the set X such that X all the factors of 42 here. So as we need to express this set in tabular method, at first we have to find all the factors of 42. Dear students, I have told you at first, that is you know the 2 methods of expressing set. First one is tabular method and second one is set builder method. Here set builder method means all the elements, particular elements are not be given, just 1 or 2 conditions. It means 1 or more conditions may be given. That type of set is known as set builder method, and we have to express this set into tabular method. It means that we have to determine the particular elements of this set. So find the particular elements. We can say here factors of 42. 42. We can write all the factors. 1, 2, 3. Then 6, 7. Now if we divide by 3, we will get 14. If we divide by 2, we will get 21, and then 42. These are all the factors of 42. So in tabular method, set Q equal to, in tabular method Q equal to, we can write the elements 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. So this is our required answer for question 9. Now last question for today, question 10. Question 10. If P equal to 2, 3, 4, Q equal to 1, 3, 5 and determine P union Q and P intersection Q. These are two set operations. Dear students, in your book you know two set operations. The operations are union and intersection. Okay dear students, when I will solve the problem, then I will tell you what are the operations here. 10. Given P equal to 2, 3, 4 and Q equal to 1, 3, 5. Now the set operations. I have told you two set operations here. One is union, first one is union, the sign is as like as U, and second one is intersection, the sign is as like as N. Okay, so at first what we have to do, P union Q. P union Q. So we have to write the set P here, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now use the union sign and take the sign union and then write the set Q. 1, 3, 5. Dear students, to do the union you need to remember that you have done the LCM. LCM means you have to write all the factors. In this case, in case of set, you have to write all the elements of both sets. So as you have to write all the elements of both sets, now see 1, 2, 3. 3 is common here. 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5. I did not write this 3 two times. Dear students, you need to remember that when you will write any set, you can repeat any element of set. You can't write. If any element is common, then you will write that only one time. Okay, so this is P union Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now P intersection and P intersection Q. Write P 2, 3, 4 intersection Q 1, 3, 5. Okay, now we have to do the operation intersection here. Dear students, you have done the HCF. HCF means just you have to take the common factors. In case of set, as like as HCF, you have to take the only common elements. In case of intersection, when two set you will intersect, the intersection of two sets you will take, you have to take just only the common elements from this two set. The set formed by the common elements. Here 2, there is no 2. 3, here is 3, so we can write 3. 4, here is no 4. 5, no 5. So only 3 is common here. From the elements of these two sets, only 3 is common. Just we have to take only the common elements. Okay dear students, so this is P union Q and this is P intersection Q. Dear students, I hope you have understood all the solutions of these 10 short questions. You have to write the answer yourself, not directly from this solution. You will arrange the answer yourself. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.